Guys, it's been almost a month since Losi dropped its brand new RC motorcycle, the Losi Promoto MX. There's been so many reviews on this two-wheeler, and many of you probably have yours on pre-order already. Losi claims it's a motorcycle that actually works. But, do you really know everything you need to know about the Promoto before you hit checkout, and is the long wait on pre-orders worth it? Should you buy it? Let's find out and watch before you buy in this episode of RCReviewed.com. Here at RCReviewed.com, we do all the groundwork and research on the latest RCs and upgrades released, so you don't have to. There's no need to watch video after video, or read through exhaustive spec pages, or scour forums to know what you need to find out. Our review videos summarizes all the essential features you need to know to make the best informed decision. So watch till the end, as we count down the Losi Promoto MX's top 8 two-wheel features, and discover everything you need to know about this two-wheeler. And remember to watch out for a link during the video to win your free RC. A big congratulations to all our previous winners. RCReviewed.com. Watch before you buy. Let's get into the top 8 two-wheel super features of the Losi Promoto MX. Number 8. Body structure. Molded composite skid plates line the front and bottom of the Promoto MX chassis. They offer protection during crashes and keep roost out of the chassis, helping to protect the electronics mounted inside. The air vents on each side of the bike come closed in the box, but can be opened to provide cooling airflow when ambient temperatures are high. Twin aluminum chassis plates house and protect all of the bike's electronics, and to help give the Promoto MX its realistically narrow appearance, they also give the frame rigidity and durability required for harsh impacts. Number 7. Rising rate rear suspension and front fork. Just like a real dirt bike, the Promoto MX has a rising rate rear suspension. The suspension starts soft around ride height for smooth handling and a superior grip. It becomes firmer as it gets deeper into up travel to provide proper preload on jumps and prevent bottoming out in landings. Dialed in with a full oil-filled, coil-over shock, the Promoto MX is ready to rip on any surface. The front fork of the Promoto MX is a completely new and modern design, with an internal spring and dampener, designed to work similar to normal RC shocks. The front fork tubes can be rebuilt and tuned by changing the silicone dampening fluid. Using counter-wound upper and lower springs, spacers can be used to adjust the ride height of the Promoto MX as well. And maybe most importantly, they look awesome, just like the real deal. Number 6. Brushless power system. The Promoto MX comes out of the gates hot, with a powerful Spectrum Smart brushless power system. Its 4-pole, 3652, 3800 kV motor puts down the power, while the 85-amp brushless ESC adds all the control you need, with enough torque to clear large triples and massive 40+ miles per hour top speeds on a 2S LiPo battery. The Promoto MX power system rips. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. By subscribing, you stand a chance to win your free RC in our subscriber giveaways. We will be giving you a link at the end of the video to win your free RC, so stick around for that. Liking and subscribing also helps our channel grow, and helps us bring more content like this for you. So please support us. Number 5. Race-inspired slipper clutch. As its 3800 kV firm brushless motor puts out abundant power, the Promoto MX's race-inspired dual-disc slipper clutch helps the Dunlop Geomax MX-35 rear tire keep traction on loose surfaces. The dual-pad, spring-pressurized slipper clutch takes inspiration from those that the TLR team uses to win races across the globe. It increases traction and protects the drivetrain without sacrificing explosive drive. Number 4. Lean bars. Don't worry if the front tire washes out on loose dirt. The lean bars are ready to catch it. They'll keep the Promoto MX from going over its maximum lean angle, helping to push it back upright to straighten it out and exit the turn. The lean bars have adjustable stops for up and down travel, so you can dial in the bike for any surface or grip level. They also often help with crash recovery when the rear tire has traction. If the bike is going down on the track, simply hit the throttle to stand it upright and resume driving. Number 3. Realistic Chain Drive. We could not call the Promoto MX a dirt bike if it wasn't chain-driven. Steel links and 70 roller pins wrap around a 10-tooth steel drive sprocket and a 36-tooth aluminum hub sprocket. Regardless of conditions, the chain drive will drive the rear tire efficiently and reliably. Guys, let us know in the comments which RCs and upgrades you're thinking about getting, and we'll review it so you can watch before you buy. Number 2. Functional Disc Brakes. Hauling on your bike is a lot more fun when you've got good brakes. The motor can handle rear braking through the drivetrain, but like 1-to-1 scale motorcycles, most of the braking happens with the front tire. To slow the Promoto MX down from the front brake uses a steel rotor, caliper-actuated brake pads, and servo-driven cable. It cuts your stopping distance in half, just what you need to catch the next berm. Number 1. Flywheel Unit. The gyroscopic stabilization force created by its heavy steel flywheel, spinning at over 22,000 RPM with the 2,700 kV motor, does wonders for the motorcycle's stability. Mounted as low and as far forward as possible in the frame, the flywheel unit enables the Promoto MX to pivot around its center point to improve jumping, changes of direction, and the accuracy of the bike's performance. So now that you know the Losi Promoto MX's top 8 two-wheel super features, should you buy it? With its superior body structure, rising rate rear suspension, and front fork, aggressive brushless power system, race-inspired slipper clutch, perfectly engineered lean bars, realistic chain drive, functional disc brakes, and most importantly, its flywheel unit that keeps this two-wheeler perfectly stabilized on all terrain, make the Losi Promoto MX the only two-wheeler you'll ever need. So, if you haven't already, rush to get your Losi Promoto MX today. If you've liked this video and would like to know some of the latest and best RCs and upgrades, and to win your free RC, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Visit rcreview.com/win to win your free RC. So now that you know the Losi Promoto MX's top 8 two-wheel super features, click below for the world's first Fast and Furious style nitrous oxide NOS powered RC.